In the Dyson line, we not only have a complete assortment of different types of vacuums, but we also have different tools as well, so that way you can have the right attachment that you want depending on the type of cleaning that you're doing. We're going to start over here. This is our brand new tangle-free turbine tool. The bristles here are actually going to counter-rotate, so that way it's going to pull up hair, turn it into a ball, suck it into the vacuum. So that way when you're picking up pet hair or human hair all around your home, you're not stuck with that turbine tool that's full of pet hair that you have to get out and cut with scissors. This actually stays clean because it's designed not to ever tangle. Another great tool is the stiff bristle brush. This is actually designed for high traffic areas. You can see how stiff the bristles here are. So that way when you're doing those areas, you really can get in there and rub it in and get all that ground in dirt from out of the floor. As we move over, this is the mattress and upholstery tool. So here, this is designed to actually pull up the dirt, microscopic dirt from your mattresses, as well as your sofas and your ottomans and your love seats. You're gonna see a red portion here. This is to help pull up any residual pet hair that you might have, or other longer layers of hair that actually you may have on your surfaces. This is the soft dusting brush. You'll see here that it's fanned out pretty wide. Now the reason why we do that is because we know that you're going to use this on electronics areas and maybe blinds, so that way we have it nice and fanned out so it's very soft and safe, so that way when you're using this on your delicate areas, you're really getting that nice soft feature, so you're able to actually dust with every Dyson vacuum as well. This is one of our most popular tools. It's the flat out tool. You can see, just by the name, how flat this tool actually gets. So when you're using this in conjunction with the hose and wand attachments on our uprights, this is actually designed to go underneath all of the furniture, so underneath your ottomans, underneath your love seats, and underneath your beds, so that you get that low profile in areas that you typically can't get to. As we move along, this is the multi-angle tool. This is that tool that spins 360 degrees both at the neck as well as at the brush head. That way when you're cleaning ceiling fans and crown molding, you actually have a tool that can pick up that dust that is typically hard to get to. This is also a great tool for appliances. This is the Flexi Crevice tool. So you see here how the entire tool will flex. This is designed to go in between your appliances. So if it's your refrigerator or between the washer dryer or underneath those areas that are tight to get to, like maybe behind the sofa as well, you actually have a tool that can get into those tight areas. This is the articulating hard floor tool. It's very similar to the flat out tool, only this one actually has brush bristles to this one. And you can see how it's made with a wide tooth comb there. This is actually designed in there so that way when you're picking up things like cereal messes, or kids' messes tend to often have bigger chunks to them, we leave that opening in there so you can actually pull in all the bigger pieces of dirt, but still have that low profile and low capacity to do that underneath cleaning of underneath your beds and underneath your sofas. Now this is one of the best tools that we have in the entire series. This is actually designed for pet hair pickup on your pet while you're using the Dyson vacuums. So this, you have the bristles here, and you would comb your pet with the bristles, and you can do this with the vacuum on or off. Once this is full of hair, you would simply let go of this back portion, and then you'll notice the bristles will actually pull back into the machine. All of the hair then sucks into the center. So when you have this, all of the hair that you're grooming right off of your pet ends right up into the bin, so that way it makes it easier for you to actually clean up the pet hair that you have in your home. Now there's one last demonstration I do want to show you with the tangle-free turbine tool. We're actually going to pick up a longer piece of shoelace, again, so you see that it's not going to tangle up into the brush bar. So as I turn this on, watch how it just grabs it, and it doesn't tangle in this tool. Again, everything at Dyson is very well engineered, so that includes all of our tools, and the tangle-free turbine tool is just another example of how Dyson is always keeping on the cutting edge.